Hello friends, good afternoon to all of you. This is Kamal sir and welcome you back. Dear friends, I am going to throw some light on the poem Animals that is written by none but Mr. Walt Whitman. Now the question is, who is Mr. Walt Whitman? Mr. Walt Whitman was an American poet. He was popularly known as Voice of America. The Voice of America. Mr. Walt Whitman belongs to the 19th century pre-modern poetic era. 19th century pre-modern poetic era. His poetry marks the free verse, means he used to write in the free verse only. He became famous with the publication of his long poem called Leaves of Grass in the year 1855. Moreover, this our piece, Animals, it had also been taken from Song of Myself in Leaves of Grass. This poem is an extract. It has been taken from Song of Myself in Leaves of Grass that was published in the year 1855 that became famous a poet Mr. Walt Whitman all over the world. Now I am going to discuss this poem. What is there in the poem? The poem Animals that had been written by Mr. Walt Whitman, actually it is a praise in the memory of animals. Animals, according to the poet, they do have some qualities. So our poet wants to live in the company of the animals. But animals are speechless. They can't think on their own. But how animals are more useful than human beings? That is the question. As far as animals are concerned, they are no doubt speechless as well as they are thinkless. They can't think on their own, but they do have some qualities. On the basis of these qualities, they are far superior as compared to human beings. So these qualities are just like they are free from sins, they are free from complaints, they are free from sorrows, they are free from this thing that is called double standards. They are free from double standards also. As far as human being is concerned, they are of double standard nature. They do have double standards. Just like human beings commit mistakes, commit crimes, and after that they pray to God. Human beings give some respect to some person and disrespect to some another person. That is again a human trait. But animals, they don't pray to God either. The reason is that they are innocent, they are pure at heart, so they need not pray to God at all. That is the reason. That's why animals are far more superior as compared to human beings. But as far as the human beings are concerned, that doesn't mean that human beings didn't have these types of qualities. The human beings, they did have these types of qualities, but a long time ago. With the passage of time, what happened? There is a gap in the thinking of the human beings. Human beings dropped these types of virtues a long time ago. So, with the passage of time, they become more modernized. they become more modernized, they become civilized. But as far as civilization is concerned, the civilization doesn't say anybody to be cruel, to be unkind, to be unpathetic. Civilization doesn't mean that person should be cruel, a person should be selfish. But today, human beings they don't have these types of qualities. What do they have? They have a madness, a mania to possess more and more things. In the mania of possessing more and more things, human beings just ignore these virtues. The virtues are free from sins, free from complaints, free from sorrows, free from regrets, and free from double standards. These virtues are with animals today, not with the human beings. That is the most tragic part of human civilization today. So the sea change is there in the personality of the human beings. That change is on the account of the word called modernization. Since human beings today become more modernized, that's why they just left, they just quit these types of virtues they used to have in earlier times. But that doesn't mean that without these virtues, human beings can survive. Without these qualities and virtues, the existence of humanity is at stake. So, if we want to give a new, proper, and unique form to the human civilization as well as human society, these types of virtues, the virtues are free from sins, free from complaints, free from sorrows, free from regrets, and free from double standards. These are to be maintained for the betterment of the society. So I hope everybody would come to know what is there in the poem Animals. It's a beautiful poem written by Mr. Walt Whitman and emphasizing the need of moral education today, emphasizing the need of virtues, human virtues. That is the need of the hour. That's why, in this context, a poem had been written, and this poem had been taken from the extract song of myself in Leaves of Grass, a long poem that had been written by Mr. Walt Whitman in the year 1855. And that poem became Mr. Walt Whitman famous all over the world. So I hope you understand all the poem. What is there in the poem? The summary of the poem Animals must be clear to you right now. That's all for this time. And keep watching me for the next time also. That's all for this time. And keep watching me. Okay, thanks.